Be nice and hydrophobic. That's good.
Those things in the water are the big wings for my paddleboard hydrofoil. So yeah, this was over a year and a half ago from now, and we first started the project about a year before that, so it's been a long road to get to this point. Anyhow, the sharpened masts and wax did seem to help quite a bit. It's also worth noting that I did not sharpen the rear foil. Probably should have, in hindsight. But the boat was really easy to drive, easy enough as to where I could hold the RC controller and steer with one hand, and hold the camera with the other hand. You don't need to do any manual attitude control. The PCB hydrofoils take care of all that for you. With too much throttle, it would start to hydroplane rather than hydrofoil. This suggests I need to do some PID tuning. At this point, there were still quite a few software issues that we were working through, but obviously nothing too serious, since the boat was foiling just fine. The bug that was annoying me the most was that the servo mid position seemed to change when you would adjust the P-term. This one took a lot of back and forth, but eventually Tomasz was able to fix it. He also got RC control working, so that a servo signal could be used to control the set point of the PID controller. Around this time I also tried an underwater motor to provide the majority of the thrust, but it was a hydrodynamic abomination, so it should be no surprise that it did not really work well. So then I took it off and headed back to the lake the next day to test what I thought would be the final version 1.0 firmware that this thing would ship with. Oh, did I forget to mention, you'll be able to buy these things. At this point I still hadn't even really done any proper PID tuning. All I did was increase the P-term until it started porpoising, and then back it off a bit.
So Tomasz and I have finally worked out all the bugs, and now it's working really well. I'm super impressed with how stable this thing is.
Since everything seemed good, I figured we better start working on a production programming and test fixture, so that the factory can more easily program and test a large quantity of these things. Tomasz thought the